these two strokes are clear. Now we'll take the compound curve. The compound curve is a overturn and an underturn. In this, you'll have to, initially when you're practicing calligraphy, you have to always mark your lines, okay? So we went up, we came down, and then we went up again. So here, the line that has to be thickened is this. Okay, everybody is able to follow me, right? If there's any doubt, please interrupt and ask me to clarify again. After this, everybody's done with the compound curve, right? I want you guys to just mention it there for you guys to be able to follow it. Okay, now we draw oval. So how do we draw oval? So we go like this. So this is the downstroke and this is the upstroke. So we'll thicken this one. Okay, clear? Oval is clear, right? So you've understood the basic rule. Every line that is coming down has to be thickened. Every line that is going up has to remain thin. Now we have the ascender and the descender. Ascender and descenders are basically used in your F, P, D, small. So ascender is this one. So here this line is going up. This one is coming down. Okay, here this is the thick line. And descender, it is the other way around. So it goes like this. So you make, this line comes down. So this becomes the thick line. Here, no, there's only one thing that you have to understand in ascender and descender, okay? Whether you're going to make it thick from the left side or from the right side. This was thickened from the left side, whereas this one was thickened from the right side. Okay, you understood? I'll just do it again for you guys. So maybe you can look at the board. So we went this way, we came down. This was the down line and I thickened it from the left side. Okay, everybody is able to follow, right? And this one, we went like this and we came down. So this is the stroke that came down. We're making it thick from the right side. Okay, so you've understood this, right? Clear? Clear with everybody, right? So I'm going to just erase the strokes here. And now let's start writing a little. Okay, so first we'll start with small alphabets. Okay, so we write A. So everybody follows, okay? So we are writing A. In this A, okay, we went up, then we came down again. So this becomes our downstroke. Again we went up and we came down. So we have two thick strokes here. As in how you practice, you get a hang of it and you understand how to thicken the lines. The A is not completely thickened. I mean, we just end it here at this point. And then it's here. Got it? Understood, right? The same way. So we'll have to practice all the alphabets. We'll go quickly from here after. And all of you can start doing it independently. If you're stuck, it is very simple, okay? So So now the next alphabet is B. Here we went up, we came down again. So clearly, this is going to be the thick line. Then we went up and we went this way. So there is no further down line. So the B remains very simple. Okay? And then we have the C, a simple curve.
Which is the down line is coming down. You have to thicken that.
In this, there is this stroke which is coming down. So this has to be smoothened. So you basically can do this, a crescent, and make it thick. See, my board is big, okay? When you're writing it really small, you cannot do the way I am trying to do it here. Okay, I'll just come around. Meanwhile, there's a small D written here.